A quick update here on our order from petspectation.com of the two bags of Fromm's dog food with their Consumer Plus plan. One of our concerns was prices like this, maybe we were going to get almost expired food, but as you can see, today is June 23rd, 2016, and the bags we got don't expire until November 26, 2017, over a year from now. And that is true for both of them. So everything seems to have worked. It's a fantastic deal, and we will be ordering again in 2 days. Thanks so much, Pet Spectation.